All right, today I'm gonna show you how to use Claude Code and Cursor to build a website for your service-based business in less than 10 minutes. Let's get straight into it. All right, so let's grab a prompt from the prompt browser here. And this is kind of like a two-in-one. It's a service business conversion landing page. So it serves two purposes here. A, show off your business, who you are, what you offer, but also lead down to a funnel. So let's also start a timer, stopwatch, and we're gonna start. Now let's start up Claude here, and we're gonna do this for a demolition service provider, and we're just gonna paste that in there. So as you can see here, it's a pretty comprehensive prompt. You are a web developer specializing in service, business, marketing, and lead generation landing pages. Create a professional service business landing page for demolition that effectively communicates value and converts visitors into qualified leads. And then we have a whole bunch of constraints and outputs. Now, while this is working, I do want to give this website a spotlight. This is a side project that I've personally been working on. It's currently not live as of the day of filming this, but I'm very close to pushing this to production. And it's not going to be perfect by any means, but I built it selfishly for me to not only create a logic and a backend that automatically generates prompts based off of what's trending across social media, but also a place to store them. Think of like a prompt library. I couldn't find one that's as comprehensive as the one that I'm building. So it may go somewhere, it may not. But the whole purpose of this was I built it for me first and foremost, and I'm using it for me. I do plan to release it. You're going to have a prompt of the day that's going to be visible for free. The entire prompt library, it will sit behind a paywall because so much time and effort has gone into these. But what's really cool is we have different industries, and for each industry, you'll be able to see one free prompt. And then we have subcategories for each industry here. Now, I am fine-tuning the kind of vibe coding industry, and this is like the one I'm putting the most work into because I do a lot of this. And yeah, just wanted to spotlight this while this is working in the background here. If you're curious about the prompt browser, drop a comment below. If it's not live yet, drop a comment below. Let me know you're interested in it so that I get a little bit of motivation to push just a super beta version live. And I'm thinking what I'll do for the first week or two of launch is full access, free of charge, right? There are other features in here that I didn't show off. We have a workflows tab that's going to tie in prompts to workflow automations, tell you how to set everything up. We have a trending feed as well. That's just showing you what's most popular, what's trending across X, Reddit, and LinkedIn. And then also a prompt agent that ties in with an OpenAI API key that allows you to optimize your prompts utilizing the 4-layer framework, which every single prompt on Prompt Browser follows, because I live and die by the 4-layer framework. And if you're unfamiliar with the 4-layer framework, I just posted a video not too long ago about it. Go check out that video and then come back and watch this one. All right, so without scroll ado, it's doing its work. Let's check our timer here. We're at 3 minutes and 36 seconds. And what we could do is show the preview as it's working. Okay, it's still super basic. Show preview. And shift tab, get to work, do your thing. So one thing I want to do is readjust this, and there we go. That way we can see the stopwatch on screen. Oh, it's looking real good already. So it's already spit out a pretty good looking website here. Oh, and it even has a pop-up feature. Wow. Wow, okay. Okay, it's still adding placeholder images. Good, 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 good. So this is the stage of this step, right? If you're a service-based business and you're just watching this demo for the sake of learning how to do it yourself, this is where you would drag in your creative and your branding and say, hey, replace the top left logo on the menu header to display our logo. And then if you have a job site demolition that, you know, have images in progress, that's where you would add relevant job site or whatever your business is, you know, materials. But look at this layout. I mean, I'm impressed. It even did a FAQ section, which is great. Now, I hope you bared with me there. We had to make sure we fixed the light as it went out, but we're still underneath our timer, which is fantastic. And let's check our So this is next steps, right? So this is where you, the service-based business, would come in, depending, obviously you change the title of the prompt for your business. I will be including that prompt in the description below for you. But you replace your images into the assets folder, update contact information, as well as customize content and add analytics. And look, we did that all in under 10 minutes. And we did it thanks to a very comprehensive prompt that I will be providing in the description below. So hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration and experiment. I didn't know if we were going to pull that off in 10 minutes, but we did. Now, I know that there's deployment involved. And if you want to see how to deploy a website out of the terminal via Claude Code and Cursor, check back a few videos. I built a landing page, a lead generator landing page in less than 30 minutes and deployed it to Vercel. I also built check back. I built a portfolio website for bitmonkeylabs.com not too long ago, and I showed from start to finish building the site as well as deploying it to Vercel. Now, if you'd like to see me go more in depth on this, maybe you have a particular industry that you serve that you'd like to see me build a video and a website for, drop a comment below. Let me know, and I'd be happy to add that to my queue. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration. As always, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video about a specific topic, Drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.